90% of YouTubers give up before they even reach 1,000 subscribers. And I'm going to tell you the secret why. It's because YouTube is hard. And if anyone tries to tell you differently, they're just lying to you. It demands constant learning, relentless testing, and a willingness to face the uncertainty that this might all be a waste of time. And that uncertainty is the exact reason why most people quit. But I'm here to share the 7 habits that can make building a YouTube channel significantly easier and stop you from becoming part of that 90%. These are the habits that help me grow my channel to over 8,000 subscribers, help another channel grow to over 300,000 subscribers, and has now allowed me to live in Bali, helping others grow their YouTube channels. So, let's do this. Number 1, analyze viral thumbnails. There's something I want to tell you. You don't need to be a professional graphic designer to become a good thumbnail artist. You don't even have to have particularly good design skills. All you need to do is study what's already worked. The thing is, YouTube is a massive spreadsheet of data on what works on the platform. All you have to do is analyze that data and apply what works. And trust me, all of your favorite YouTubers are doing this. Airac stole this thumbnail from a video with over 200 million views. Mr. Beast stole this thumbnail from a video with over 160 million views. Here's what I want you to remember. When you become a YouTuber, you become a student of your craft every single day. Because you're constantly learning, applying, and adapting what you learn every day. This is the mindset that all of your top YouTubers have adopted because they understand that you can't be an expert. You can only be a good learner. And if you're not sure how to get started with analyzing thumbnails, here's what I want you to do. Create a private playlist on YouTube titled Thumbnails. As you scroll on YouTube, add any thumbnails that intrigue you. At the end of each day, go into your folder, pick a thumbnail, and spend 15 minutes analyzing it. Repeat this every day. I'm not gonna lie, at first you're gonna find this difficult because you're gonna find it hard articulating why something makes you click. But the more you do this, the better you'll become, and you'll begin to recognize patterns as to why a thumbnail is so intriguing. Then all you need to do is take those learnings and apply them to your own thumbnails. And if you do want a head start, you can download my thumbnail analysis ebook, which is a breakdown of 50 viral thumbnails that I analyzed. Number 2, keep a database of video ideas. Most YouTubers don't take their video ideas seriously enough. But the reality is, the idea is the foundation of your video. And if it's not a good one, the whole video will fail. Which is why it's essential that you make brainstorming video ideas a daily habit. So here's how I want you to do that. Create a new notes page on your phone and commit to adding at least 3 new video ideas to it every day. Even if an idea seems terrible, just write it down. Over time, as you repeat this process, you'll find it easier to generate ideas, and you'll begin to recognize which ideas have the most potential. The truth is, for every good video idea that you come up with, there's probably going to be around 30 bad ones. Ryan Trahan has a team of people dedicated to generating 60 video ideas a month. Yet, only 2 make the cut for execution. That's because he understands the importance of a great idea. Number 3, create 10 titles per video. As we spoke about with video ideas, the first one is rarely your best, and the same applies with your titles, which is why I always recommend to creators to brainstorm at least 10 title variations per video. I did the exact same for this video you're watching now, and you can see all my variations here. But the reason we do this isn't to test them all with A/B testing or to switch it out every few weeks. This is a big misconception that a lot of people have. It's just to brainstorm different angles of how the video can be portrayed. And as I said earlier, your first title is rarely your best, but the more variations you write, the sharper your idea will become. Remember, your title is the first interaction with your viewer, so don't overlook it. The last thing you want to do is spend all that time and energy editing that video and have no one watch it just because your title was boring. Now, much like we spoke about with the thumbnails, the best way to come up with good title ideas is by studying what other YouTubers have used. So here are 10 title frameworks that I've noticed many top YouTubers using recently, so you can use them for your own videos. Number 4, consume mindfully. We've all been sucked into the trap of mindless doom scrolling, especially with the rise of Instagram Reels, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. And in fact, I have to have a block on my phone each day to stop me from going on Instagram Reels. That's how bad it is for me. But if you're serious about becoming a successful YouTuber, you need to train your brain to become a content powerhouse. Every time you watch a video, start to analyze it and ask these questions. Why did this thumbnail and title intrigue me? Do they hook me in the intro? How do they hook me? How are they keeping me engaged? What is their call to action? These are all learnings that you can apply to your own videos to improve them. Remember, everything you need to know to grow a YouTube channel is already out there. All you have to do is analyze what you watch and apply what you learn. Number 5, batch processing. I'm a huge advocate for batch processing your work, regardless of what work it is you do. And ever since I started batch processing my work, it's been a total game changer for me. And here's why. It eliminates task switching so you work more efficiently. Recording multiple videos in one session saves setup time. Working in focus blocks on one particular task helps to generate better ideas. And if you're short on time to create YouTube videos, batch processing will be an absolute game changer for you as well. So here's a simple batch processing routine that you can follow to help make creating content on YouTube just a bit easier. The 3x3 batching method. All I want you to do is block 3 days per fortnight for YouTube work. And if you try and tell me that you don't have 3 days per fortnight, well, then I can't really help you. And then here's what I want you to do. Day 1, research and script 3 videos. This will take about 6 to 7 hours in total. Day 2, film all 3 videos back to back. This will take 4 to 5 hours. And day 3, edit all 3 videos. This will take 6 to 7 hours. And just keep the edits super simple. When you're just starting out, you need to be focusing on the volume of uploads, not the quality. And then this gives you 6 videos per month from only 6 days of work. That sounds pretty good to me. Number 6, create packaging before filming. Now, there's a common habit I've noticed among many top YouTubers, and it's that they create the thumbnail and title before they've even filmed the video. And this confused me at first because what I always thought you should be doing was creating the thumbnail and title after the video is finished. But then I realized why they do this. If the title and thumbnail aren't engaging, the video won't get clicked. Start with what matters most. It stops you from wasting hours filming only to realize you can't create an engaging thumbnail and title. When the intro delivers on the promise of the thumbnail and title, viewers are more likely to watch longer. Creating the title and thumbnail after filming can lead to a rushed and ineffective concept. So, try it out for yourself and maybe you'll notice a difference as well. Number 7, think in years. I'm about to share the ultimate cheat code and it's going to completely transform your channel. So here it is. Realize that progress takes years, not months. The YouTube game is a marathon, not a sprint. And that's the exact reason why most people won't succeed. So what you need to do is find a routine that enables you to be consistent over a long period of time. And remember this, if you're willing to spend 4 years on a degree you don't even use, you should be willing to spend at least 2 years working towards your dream life. And that's everything. Thank you for watching. And if you're looking for more personal help with growing your YouTube channel, links will be in the description to all the different ways I can help you. And if you want to learn more about my story of how I got into YouTube and what I believe the future of YouTube will look like, I'd recommend checking out this video here.